So we have a dual-sided, black on one side, gray on this side, and magnetized. It's also insulated in the middle with Reflectix, so should be a solid window cover. It's going to block out light and keep it private on the inside.
Today, do another van build, and I'm gonna be updating these curtains. So I cut these large whenever I built them so I can use them for the project that I'm gonna do right now, which is adding the Reflectix to the inside. I bought that sewing machine for my bed cover project, so I'm gonna make use of that and try my hand at making some better window covers. And then I have all these magnets, so I'm gonna be sewing these into the edge and just making throw up magnetic insulated window covers. This is like a cable tie, Velcro cable tie that you would find at like Home Depot or whatever. Then I'll roll up the window cover. This is the same thing, it's a cable organizer that I just fed through here, and then I set a self-tapping screw through there. It's held up great for so far, and it's gonna get updated. Yeah, so this was the setup that I used. It's just this cable organizer here, and then I weaved the cable tie through it, and I got a self-tapping screw and put it right through that hole, and then drilled a hole up in the van. Also, I got this craft paper from Home Depot. It's free if you go to like where the twine is. I use this for a few of my projects now, and it always works out great. Okay, now that we have our template, I'm gonna go get some Reflectix that I also got at Home Depot, and we're gonna trace this onto the Reflectix. We'll cut that out, and then we'll get some fabric. Perfect.
All right, I got everything pinned up. See these little sewing pins in here. There's two layers. There's a gray layer and a black layer. Black layer is going to be outside. Gray layer is going to be facing inside the van. And then inside here, you can see I have the Reflectix. So it's like a little Reflectix sandwich in here. So we're going to go ahead and pin down the Reflectix all the way around, tight to the Reflectix, and then we'll go ahead and add the magnet in this space, and then sew around the magnet. All right, so we got this sewn in now. I went around the border, all the way around, and then I also did two lines right here. There's one and two, and hopefully that'll help me fold it whenever I need to put it away, but we'll see. And then now what I need to do is make the little pockets for the magnets. I'm going to use the leftovers. There's a nice little strip right here that I'm going to put the magnet in and then encase it and then leave a tag like that, and then sew that tag onto right here, and the magnet will just be flopping and I'll hold the window cover up. Alright, there she is. I got 3 more to go, and then I'll sew them onto the
actual window cover, and then we'll go install it in the van and make sure everything looks good.
All right, we got all 6 magnets sewn in now. We're gonna go mock it up, and then I can just burn these edges off like I did around this edge, and this window cover is done. So we have a dual-sided, black on one side, gray on this side, and magnetized. It's also insulated in the middle with Reflectix, so should be a solid window cover. It's gonna block out light and keep it private on the inside.
All right, let's see how she fits.
So it looks like from the outside, pretty solid. So you can clearly see through this window. And you go to this one, nada. All right, if you want to check out any of my other van build videos, here's the link right here. Check it out, it's my van build playlist. If you want to subscribe to my channel, here is the link. Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one.